Ijubiongo, Bianaramego, Ikwachimia, Nayozigibiko, Ijubiongo, Bianaramego, Ikwachimia, Nayozigibiko.
It is my man.
It's also you carry and come.
Don't go. I don't understand you. I don't think the story coming that now. You never see change. You can't think that one now.
I never see change. You don't come home.
So now
You don't come.
the house there.
I hear we come.
Where the house there? I'm not this kind of rubbish. Jesus. What? Papa, see everywhere just scatter with clothes. God. No, nah, Papa, you don't pass this level, nah. Papa, never change. Nothing make mommy the quarrel with this. Scatter, clothes everywhere. Huh? Papa, not for you.
You don't talk finish. And now you come. If you get sense, that's why I bring you. May you come to arrange the house.
See the tea everywhere.
This dirty now, this small thing now they take in money, say for your mother, they feed you now. Come here, they talk nonsense.
Papa, that
thing where they worry you, no stop you. That's why I like Emeka. Emeka my son, he dey try well. Pass you.
You don't start now again. You don't start now again.
See how they behave.
It's okay.
No good. You won't go back.
I say it's okay.
If you won't go back, I need you money to go back.
It's okay. Like, come on now. Why I want to sit down, sir?
My son, see where I sit down, you will sit down. You will make chance.
I don't sit down for ground now. See
my son, Nadia, they sit down. Don't find this side, sit down. Make we talk.
Papa, talk now. What do you use the money do? Talk. What do you use the money do?
My son. There's a more no way. I'll better go. See, what I use that money do? I use them do one investment. But I use, you know, that land where I said that. I use them play game.
Yeah?
5 million.
Use them play game.
Only 5 million. I play at 5 million. So now, 1/4. They don't play first half, sir. Say second half. Hey.
Watch yourself.
Even. It's a mom. You make me account this traveler. Now,
which kind of papa you give me like this? Papa, you use the money, 5 million naira to play game, and you cut, and you get proud. So now, what about the meeting money they give you? What about the meeting money?
That one last week, sir. Now I used to say when I go try.
Hi.
My son, no verse. You know why I carry you come here? Maybe they see how you take it. You get one of my friends. Wow. Since you don't work up, please don't use it. Manage. Don't worry. Tomorrow will be better. Plan well so that your son will not suffer.
Who said?
Put that inside that
I don't touch your drawer.
That's why I bring you.
I bring 2 spoons.
Bring 2 spoons.
Swear.
It is well. You don't come. You will see her. You will see what your father will see.
Mama, I don't see
Garry now.
Me, I don't see what you see. God forbid.
I pray for you, my son.
I don't be like you. Come for me.
That's well.
I don't use sacrifice. God forbid.
Yeah? You say?
My first. Who are the first?
You go use me do
No worry.
something fine.
Papa, wait oh. I get that plan.
Which plan?
That plan me go favor you and me.
Oh yeah now.
And your brothers.
Oh yeah now.
The plan be say when we first meet.
You come from far away.
I'm not crying by myself. I'm not crying. What? To Akara? How I God?
The small money wey remain for my hand, I take for carry it.
Which kind woman be this man? Which kind woman be?
I will put sugar for you, no
What Jesus? Monica, this sugar too much. I don't like sugar. Oh, there's that. Hi. Voila. Who gonna say? Come on, say amen. Oh, Garry.
Now the one wey God give me your father.
Of course, I don't hungry. Oh, that's make me. I don't get no choice to chop the Garry. Oh,
Even
if not.
your mother no dey here wey go cook food for you.
Wait, Papa. No, the Garry taste like make sense. Oh, with akara and bread. This is a 3 dominant combination. What do you want you now? No, why they do that? They do that one kind of man. I don't want to talk to you. Papa, what do you want you now? What for you? Papa, if they drop bread to begin, what for you? See, if you give by now, I'm not going to eat well. They will drop bread. What for you? You need to try. Swear.
Thank you.
What? As the time say, you don't squander all the whole money. I no get any gain inside. I get better option. And that option is legit. Clear. And that will benefit our we. It will benefit me and you.
That's why I'm for you.
I don't like that name now. My name is easy now. Why you call me more now? I don't like that name now. Why they talk like this now?
You know say they act like mom.
Wait first. Wait first. Let me tell you my plan. Papa, since say you never succeed and your friend don't succeed for life, it better my issue to sacrifice so that I will get money, sustain your family, sustain people with around us. How is the idea? Sometimes you do sacrifice because there's no you're going to someone like you. Nothing make you never grow. See this down. Papa, it's too much. Think about it. Huh?
Anyhow,